Adding subtitles in Davinci Resolve is a straightforward process, and in this video I'm going to walk you through a quick guide to help you add subtitles to Davinci Resolve. Now, for you to be able to add subtitles, you have to add a track. You have to add a subtitle track. Now, go to the edit page, right click above the video track and select add subtitle track. Now, add a subtitle clip. Right click on the subtitle track and choose add subtitle clip. Adjust the duration and the text of the subtitle clip in the inspector panel. Now, the next thing is to customize the subtitle. Now, use the inspector panels to customize the font size, the color, and the position of your subtitle. And after that, repeat the process for each subtitle you want to add. And that is how you can add a subtitle or a caption in Davinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.